guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Now I'm talking to Rita.
Can you imagine? Disgrace. I never see person where read disgrace, they read, they follow like this. Raw disgrace and shame. Raw shame and disgrace. Raw one. Now this disgrace dead hand. Now raw shame and disgrace the raw one. Immediately they don't notice the evil with their body. They begin to find and they go there, they run to run. May destruction be your portion for life. You see this shame and disgrace with the entire body for life videos. Your name no go ever come up for cyberspace because you are dealing with the wrong people. You know, if
they are writing me.
Nobody writes you because of me. Oh. No repeat that what they get say. Now so person can't write you. Not be because of me anybody they write you. Are you hearing me? It's not because of me. Now because of your head. Now they write you. I don't belong to the kind of person who not be. I'm not like you. As you can see, I know the carry squad. I don't like squad. You get the way I take day on my own. Are you hearing? You they hear me? But 10 people no they fit beat me. 20 they not defeat. Una they learn. Now I call some way be say na me. Now they fit deal with you now go carry you. Now me they fit deal with you now they find police. Now me they fit deal with you now they find babalago. Now me they fit deal with you now they You decrease. Share the video, lovely I mean more people. You decrease. Your head correct?
Yes. So many people are writing me. I don't want to be placing those people writing. It's not good. At least it's their privacy. Many people are writing me to come to apologize to Rita parents, to apologize to Rita. So that is what I am here to talk about now. And again, you will not force me to go and do any apology.
Who is forcing you? If you know the craze, at this your age, now even you to sit down for share, can't they even talk? Waiting no even day your mind, you can't they comment about them for public. Now reach shame and disgrace. No wonder that they call you disgrace. They re-enter. You see that disgrace will be your name. He re-match you well. Match you too much. You want please Felicia? Abi you want come please the Kia will be your mama with the UK. Who else? You want please Okbaka? Now you sit down they talk. Which other person? Which other person may I know? Not be the others one, not be you they work for now. Useless woman we not get sense. Eh? You dey crazy, you dey mad, you head not correct. You want Felicia and at the same brain na carry na not get sense. You will fit betray your friend, that one betray person where you call family. Just because of one person. Person where they know you see tomorrow now begin the all of them just put trust on human being. When human being they put in trust on God. Grace dog. Where is your God where you say you deserve? Eh? Make Grace enter your body, you and your useless husband will be master, we never strong, we be like foul. We be like foul when you come out for inside egg, we never strong. Eh? Very senseless. As big as you are, one sense not dey your head. This your head job before nothing, sense not dey inside. No wonder. When I dey saga you, they call you say your mouth na toilet. Because what they even they come out for inside your mouth, no sense, nothing, very senseless, very useless. If you tell me sorry, and if you tell my mother sorry, you don't know say you go close my mouth for cyberspace. That one a mouth closing strategy now. Now cause and way be say, even the lovely way you tell sorry today, we carry a contest on your head. I be you no know. Where be say, if anybody wants to talk about Papa tomorrow, they will come and they'll talk about him. If you talk about my parents, I want to carry Papa video, I'll carry and can't talk about him. So what be the sorry can do? What you do, yeah, woman, we not get brain, may you create center motto. May you create use leg waka from Lagos to worry with nakedness. You dey mad. You want open other people mad for grand. Like the one where mad person fucking mama for Italy. You want open the your word mouth against me. You want consent with me for it. Say ask me, I close my mouth. You know say that me reject to me for that one. Now me reject her. Now me tell her say I don't need that. I want everlasting fight. Yes, that's what I want. That's what I want. I want me with the drag body they go. Now what I define I be that. Drag me and I drag you. Curse me and I go curse you. Curse my husband, I go curse your own. That my husband not the kukuma they would do me any. I had told dog, go down and no. Now when me go curse you now, I go enter. If you not get husband. My partner be new thing again. All those things don't ring pass for live video. You decrease, your head not correct. Now your sense you carry for granted the waka. Other people go carry their leg, they will use and take waka. You go carry your brain for granted the waka they go. You not get sense. See as you useless now. At your age, as you just big, you be beautiful. Sense not gum you. At school, not there your not there worry the time when you grow up. May your mama carry you go. Make it carry you go, may go and enroll you for the prophetess will not be right. You want lead church, you want be prophet, you know sabi right. You sit down for live video, you begin to talk rubbish. Everything where they come out for your mind, be like person where they decrease. How many times do they chop mad person sick tablet a day? And they ask you question.
Why are you people writing me to go and
Close your mouth. Nobody they write you anything. You define what you want to talk. You want to fight for your people. I say you want fight for Felicia. You want fight for Yekia. Come and make you sit down. Make open scatter your head, scatter. Make it scatter mass where your husband own. Make it scatter you and scatter mass way. Come fight where not be your own. May you create center bush. You they mad. Come carry fight. May you not be your own. May you fight. May wo besides you. May wait it on them to mumu turn you to mumu also. Broad daylight. You they craze. Come carry fight where not be your own fight. May you take build platform. Before you go boot and finish this your head. You go back. You they craze. Mama send you apology. I be call you for years. He call you. He know you before. When you say na so, you go hard. They say sorry for police station. You want me? You say why me come out for live video? Can't talk. Eh, Grace ogun yak berak bijou. Ogun yak berak bijou. Ogun yak berak bijou. If I forgot Lara last week be, I got ho we bekun we have we bekun. What are you decrease? You go ahead, beg for police station. You can't tell me say why me come public can talk. Now open go kill massway for your eye. You decrease and you demand your head not correct. How you look me? After you don't do it for finish, you want to close my mouth for it. I say now so you go talk to. I send you message. If I boy Lara la work be, all la two are in his work be, all la Felicia is work be. If I boy la why be why soon why you. Why are you calling you?
What I don't really understand.
They don't fight their own finish. When they carry you to do some buffer from me, you can't fight their fight finish. Now inside this fight, now you go pay your head where you went as so we not concern you. Fight when you use your hand and your head carry say now you want to fight Felicia fight. Now you go pay your head. You go pay your mama or pay your pikin, pay mass where own joiner. You decrease. Who call you? When you come and say you want to fight for Felicia, you know what Felicia don't do. I don't ever come and say I want to join a Mugu goat fight you. May fight kill you. Nak bin ak boa. Nak bin ak bomon joa o nou ou wagmon. Ni va bon lara la jouek be. I call you decrease.
I don't understand why you people are writing me that on inbox. You inbox me, you WhatsApp me. It's not fair. It's not really fair. When this whole issue happened, the second seat, right there in police station, at the CEO office, I apologize to Rita parents. I believe that is enough. I apologize to Rita parents and they...
Who even ask you? Who ask you question? They ask you. People when ask you for inside inbox, they tell you you can't talk and come out. The time when me talk my own come out that time, you not say why I can't talk and come out. Say waiting I put for police station, they know they talk and come and say na bury a grant be. Now be what you talk. You not say na bury a grant. Why you come and can't talk? Waiting I put for police station is private, is secret, is private. Is that not what you said? When you want close my mouth, hide kill me. You say na secret. Now when facts don't turn to your head, when your husband don't carry hammer take the guogo your head and guogo mask way. Now you come the talk say na waiting apple for CPO office. You not say they not the talk and say na secret call that place be. Why you come the talk for live video? Why you talking? May avoid the head kill you on time. You decrease. That your toto way they worry you so now go pie you. That your pekus way don't roti finish like waiting is zobo when they put for street. You not see what you carry from that your leg. It be like is zobo because of evil. My family near you. Not be where we sit down, put you carry your hand and your leg come meet us. We don't ever call you near body one day. I don't ever mention you for my video one day. When you they talk lie. Waiting no happen, you they talk and you carry other people fight, they fight. You not think about your family. Because they call you for instance, when you leave your ex-friend, when you can't enter their gang, you can't they talk like they do your confession way, not their book. Make confession kill your head. You go see when they fight, Saya. May other people fight by you. Useless woman.
Nobody should insult each other, but she keep insulting me today.
I will insult you because I not call you. How far you go say police say me we no insult each other? Ogun they kill your mama. Ogun they kill your papa, they kill your husband. I near you now. I near you. Now be other people fight you, they fight where you take on me. I call you for inside the fight where I get for live video. I invite you. Now be you be the aya killer where they invite, where they say me you can't kill me. Oh yeah, see me kill me, you see my family kill Grace. See us me you kill. Make you die by accident. Make frustration buy you for that your useless husband has. When you do boy, you they mad. Who call you? Why I not go insult you? I say for you. I be a do application to invite you. I talk to you. The day when they tell me say person when they call Grace, call your papa house. I say who be Grace? For this life, I just swear they give my mother say me. I don't even know this person when they talk so. Or go they kill your husband. If they kill my swear for your eye, your useless boy my swear where no get and get leg. Where your family don't reject because of Toto way roti. Where no agree leave. You decrease. Your head not correct. Ije Mona see me see something He just come out for public confidence say, well, now they tell us say me go apologize to Rita. I tell you me you apologize. Agbok berak bijouer. Abi ma bolara la jouer gbe ou wa. Agbok berak bijouer. Wa ari okwari you wagmon ou eno keke. Rotik bekus. As you don't do other people, chook my gift for their total rich. Now go carry your own con. He pour acid for inside for night. He roti for your eye. Not let us band do again. Now outside the Congo de Gbekwa. Useless woman wey not get sense. You decrease. Why I not near you? I did my own. Now so your sister carry five. Come meet me for where I sit down put. You know concern me concern her. Now so you self take on. Make my matter kill your head.
If Uncle God give her to Ryan, go come give her to me for this side. She insult me, she carry my teeth out. I mean like to
yes, I did it and I will do it 10 times more. Because I'm not near you. I start doing it after you went to my parents at home for no reason. Without asking questions. Mesa kill you. The same Mesa where you say you marry for, not be you go for do the festival. I be you never marry the time when you go do that yeah evil. Evil way pass the old word, where the old word see. Useless woman way not get shame for his eye. You decrease.
my teeth like this. She insult my husband, never insult her husband once. And if
Grace dog insult her, oh, call insult her. My husband not be Nigerian, not the hear with you they talk. You know they hear na English, you know they watch on a video. You not get sisters where they watch on a video, you not get brother where they watch on. You not get town person where they watch on a video. You like you use and do flying boat for on top of a video for 3,000 years. Now that one are your headache. Now you know. Mama and my papa, they not they watch. They don't old. They not get what they take they look like video. Not consign them. Hang on. You don't do the one way past this one. I be not be you carry the video con. If you can't hang on, or can't say na bad thing you do. I go they hang your husband for you. Useless woman will not get shame for her. You they mad. You think say you feel control my life. I will lay.
me, that time when they insult my husband when I travel, I tell her say I not go insult her husband. Because now she talking for her live video say the day when her husband and so he do under day. The day when her husband go sit down for this chair because of me, come do me. Say I'm not go fit sleep my husband as that day. What is all that? It's not good.
What is not good may go betide your life. I near you. That is the question. Did I near you? I reach where you there. I don't ever open my thought to you. Bring the evidence. How wale. Okay, lodoy. He go chop your useless husband. We not get and get leg. I near you. I don't ever mention your name for my mouth before you went to my father's house. Grace dog, I don't swear. Carry your charge, your picky come at me, you take swear. Say you really get it, you. Before you go my pants, where I tell open my thought to you. How wale lodoy love you. If I bought ladder like you work, be I near you. Bring the video evidence. Come use the only picking what you get for life. Take swear. Say I don't open this my mouth. I ever talk to you whether I even know whether somebody like you they exist. You dey crazy. You want to control my emotion? Are you mad? Agbera gbishwe. Abita gweva sagbana ya imi awe koko. Ogun gbera gbishwe gwa gbomoju wa wa. Abitu ohua.
We are all women. It's not good. If we have issue, let us have our issue. Stop bringing our husband into our issue.
Really? Grace dog, you said what? We should stop bringing our husband. Now your husband head now go buy you and your own go buy your husband. Your rotty useless husband we not get respect. That useless boy person where you put for us when you say now husband. You dey crazy, you dey mad. Your husband no we mass where they mad. Tell mass where say I say they crazy. Go tell her. He had not correct. To put a useless woman where they breach in comfort every day to put her for us. You dey mad. May we don't not put our husband inside. You know what you do to my parents? You carry my parents come up for us for no reason. Go snap the picture for streets, come put for Facebook. For no reason. No reason. We make you do one. No reason at all. I don't put my thought to you. I don't even know you. Even the Mugu got where they find me, I never reply. I'm not to talk of you where I don't know. You dey crazy. You know say not good, but you do it to me. You do it to me.
You insulted me. You insulted my husband. You insulted everything about me. Okay, I arrest Mama. Mugu goat arrest Mama, but I stand to do everything. Which
I arrest Mama. Mugu goat arrest Mama. On what reason? Mugu goat de Nigeria. I dey ask you question. Is de Nigeria? I be na you go do and not be your aunt they see for grand. Not be you follow the go police station. Not be you carry boys go meet am for us. He say no even send you any video. You never hear her for a mat. He say no where you for hear nonsense where you say you hear. You don't come argue, huh? You don't come swear put. Now my head go kill you, you dey craze. So you look me like person where you feel oppressed. Now oppression go kill your mama, kill your papa. Now oppression go destroy your only picky for your high grace. Wait till you do my mother when I not do you. Now oppression go do your life. You dey mad. People will put you for inside this side, they want me to take your peace of mind. Now may they put you inside. It not concern you, but they don't use and rob you finish. They call you call every day every 2 minutes when you come they sit down talk with you, no. Because they want to collect your peace of mind. They want bad their own peace. They want use your own peace, they bad their own. Useless woman will not get sense. You dey craze.
very bad of me. I'm not supposed to do that, to associate with such acts. And then I take no more apology to that away. Hey, oh, infinity, how you dey? You understand? So it's very wrong. That day I apologize. That very day, when I know that she has nothing to do, it's not she that was supposed to be arrested. I apologize. Ask your mother, she will tell you what I tell her. Apologize to her. Also tell her that if Mugu did not stop, that would be the end of me.
After that one, Grace, what did you do to live video? What till you do for live video? What till you come back and start to the talk again? Is it an apology? My mother picture where they put for every year, so not be you carry and come out. Not be you go meet her for Nigeria, go snap and picture for where the old woman for the rest. He near you. Not be inside your husband ask you go meet her. You dare your husband and you want get peace. You give the woman peace for inside your husband. I they ask you. You give her peace for your husband ask. I be not be your husband ask you come meet her. Make therefore baptize your mouth when you take talk. For your husband ask you give her peace. Not be inside your husband ask it day. Not be there you go meet her when she take her we go take her nakedness picture come put for streets. I be not be your husband ask it day near you. My mother don't ever come meet you for your husband ask come take you a picture with her one day. I be like pikin don't do it to you. When you do it to her. What are you talking about? You know what you cause? Or go they kill you? If they kill Maswell for your eye.
I said so. I'm not the lie. So nobody should come and write me to apologize to Rita. When Rita have not apologized to my husband.
Who is
she
your
has
husband?
not apologized.
May what betide you and your husband? Two of una dey mad. Una dey craze. As a matter of fact, una dey craze. Una no way. If a bolla we la da fon we gbe wa ho ho wa. Ku we ke ma se no da fun wa ri okori wu wa gbon. U wa va va wa bokusa. Isale mo la wa gbe. Ah you wa talolo to edo. O to no edo ka gbelu wa. Ovia nu ka gbelu wa. Ogitiani ya sonu wa yo ka gbu wa. U wa ga tuwu. Ku we ke ma so e. U wa ga va wa bokuta ba boga la wa gbe. Ogun ba gun he no ka gbelu wa. Ogun no te obo ka gbu e. Ogun no te shekiri o ka gbe ma so e yu wa o. U ga ho ho wa gbon. U ga va wa. E ma so ga guju e bu e. Wa ri okori yu wa gbon wa ho wa. Uncle, you know what they want use you cover. They go use you cover or you go collect woto. Not till the couple, not till they come out for inside. Eh, woto, na say go take entire body because I don't near you, I don't reach where you dey. You go carry enter as woto. You go carry, go ask the question, their chest they hot. You dey craze? Woto no where you got tongue and I'm wearing. Wa are you hurry you wag me ba bola les wegbe. Wa so wag mo wa ho. Iba bog or ruheren lelu evakmon. Why are you hurry you? See as they talk say your husband, who be your husband? The one we carry infection for prick. I've been an infection the key to ofuna. And una. Not be my own ante. Not be their own day for his ass. All that defenseless people will not do you anything. Go meet and go take a picture naked for his eye, you husband ass. You can't tell me say whether I don't apologize to your husband. Or go work but that for about la rugby. Or go here work be or mototan or where you are. Apologize at bijou or at bera. What if you have a webiki? If you not have be Felicia Gagbo, no, you come on every day. If not be Felicia Gagbo. If not be not be Magret or Gagbo. Who will not be Magret or Gagbo. Who will never have the Kodu de Buagwe. Where Danny Bugun your Gagbo. Who will not be more vision of your Gagbo. If I boga la like Bowa who are.
Yes, now. They talk the matter. Say make nobody come live, come talk again. I not say na Kurugaza. Now I bring the matter come Facebook again. Now I just spoil the matter for my hand.
Mona see something. He said they talk the matter. They can't say me nobody come. Ah, oh my God, my brain is rubbery. Eh, guess what? I better be sure. Ogwon better be sure. Ogwon better be sure. Ogwon better be sure. Ogwon be mass where you are. Ogwon be mass where you are. Ogwon better be sure. Grace, wait for me today to tomorrow. Wait, when my wife I come. You the mad and you the crazy join up too. Your head not correct. Who talk the matter? Wait, tell you me you not come Facebook come talk. Ak better be sure. Coconut. Ak be aba sagba na do any awe cocoa. Ogwon better be sure. If I bol let have sure go fact wa okuta. Abi to dewu. Ogun gboa abi ogun he no gboe e boda no rote shekiri o bazen no rote shekiri o we bia ya le pepper soup wa iya yi bi wa we maswele pepper soup go giason wa abi tu ba ho ho abagmon wa va wa all the witches are wizard we je shekiri na you and your juiceless maswele eat test and they go dey two pepper soup they chop for night you dey craze Why I don't near you, I did my own. You just carry first, come meet me. What have you done about that? Oh, bon berak bijoué. Il va pas l'air à bijoué bewa ho avec moi avec moi. I near you. Mon assistant tio. Il say police me they not talk. Ah, we rock berak bijoué. Why you hurry you wag mon? E mi no ba aga mi bi kio wa we. We no keke o aga mi ki ave gbe. We ga keke ya keke la diamari. Aba wo mo ga keke gbu. Why are you hurry you wag me no we aga mi bi kio wa we. We no we aga mi bi kio wa we gba we no ari agmu we aga keke gbu. Why o wa wag mo. When I don't even know you, I don't near you. You just carry your hand and your leg come meet me for where I sit down. You want to control and react to what you have done to me. Oh, go back better bijou agressive. Baboga la we gbe. Uga ho hoa.
But now, me, I don't apologize to your mama. May you call your mama answer whether they lie now.
Now my mama head
you answer.
You can't put my mama for Facebook, me everybody they use. Then you can't say you don't call my mama. Go apologize to her for public. Go back better bijou. If I forgot let have his work be. I got be mass where you were. I got be mass where you were. I got be mass where you were. And you know got be mass where I work everywhere. And you know got be mass where you work everywhere. And you know got be sergeant mass where you work everywhere. If I forgot la we go got see who I will be no magiana. Who got your hurry? What when you not be no Felicia go got your work go. And you not be Felicia no people money video. Not be on no go got your work go. What are your work more?
Me, I don't feel apologize to you.
I'm not saying you. I'm not saying you, Grace. I'm not saying you, Grace dog. Grace dog, this Grace dog death. I say you. Now apology to kill your mama, kill your papa. I send you message, apology berak bijouer. I send you message. I ask you for apology bijouer. Ahwa where I wish you back moi.
I apologize to you because you insult me. You insult my husband. Me, I not see.
If let's even turn it around, the people where they apologize for today, they not insult you, insult your husband. Or won't berak bijouer, I mean no one boy. And not take by which Felicia on la lam won't take boy where. Oh, whoa.
I don't feel send people say come meet you for inbox. I don't say now you send them because before you allege somebody, be sure of it. I don't feel say make anybody.
So before you allege somebody, you have to be sure. Were you sure before you allege me? Were you sure before you allege me? Grace dog, did you even look for my number to call me? Did you look for my number to call me? To say Rita, did you really insult me? Make I tell you, say I don't know you. Or go back and watch the video again, madam. It's a lie, you. I don't know you. Then you just carry your hand and your leg. You walk out on my father's premises. You go disturb the peace of my parents for us. You can't control me how I will react to it. Did you ask me a question before you went there? Because they don't pay you money for Facebook when you can attack my parents. You did it and you use it and take his chest. Because Mugu God not see money give you. The people where they see money give you, you come sit down today, they talk, they benny your teeth. Eh, but I never contact boué. Eh, Dieu m'a dit, never contact take boué. Oh, got bogak bele monchua o. Il a pas là with bogak tijiwa. You are crazy. You not there okay, your head not correct. See you. For you to even come out and make this video, you have disgraced yourself. You disgrace yourself past disgrace. Shame and disgrace now be your portion. If a ball letter like you work be person tell you say person they cost you because you want to use you to fight. You know wait when you know whether not true or no. You just begin to find police where they fuck you for Benin and Asaba they go. Where you want carry we near you. You went to my mother's privacy to go and drag the old woman for no reason. You drag her for no reason, and you are telling me your daughter how to drag you? How to drag you? Even if my mama stands, they make her leave you and not they leave you. That's one thing you have to know. If my mama stands here and my father, they say I should leave you. Never! I not they leave you. You know the kind of mama will born me. If my mama tell me, say, leave her, because of who she is, I will never leave you. That one is what you have to know. Because you use it to get to me. So therefore, you will also receive it till you die. Now go to for your head. say they tell me say leave them because of who they are. I will never leave you. I not go leave you. Left. Anytime where I can feel like I want to curse you, I will come curse you. You don't have the right to pay. To you know you know. Go and ask your Yekia whether I be one woman whether they use until they push go one side tell and say that's what you want to do. Are you mad? You don't look me like that kind of woman whether they control you. They craze. Did I control you? Did I come close to you? Did I know you before? You brought control and unnecessary power used into my life. I don't bring that into your life. I don't know you before. Now you can stand and say you want to fight the fight of the whole world. Where they sit down, put down account the enroll. If you don't enroll finish, you say Rita, they look for trouble. Now my head, they kill your picking. Now they kill your only picking. Your useless picking where you used to throw away rotite bon. Grace dog, they tell you, feturuemu. Now my head, they kill your picking. Feturuemu. The wife to Maswe, the useless lazy man. You decrease.
Go right to say, you can't apologize to my husband or me. We don't need it. We need every battle that happened this time to God. To God. And this my fight now. And Mugu God fight so should be a lesson to everyone that we should stop going to presenter parents' house. To
Really? Really? My question to you, how do you undo what you have done? Answer me. How you want to undo what you do? It should be a lesson. Now, my mama, you want to learn. Oh, go back to where? How is where? I be tired of his web better. Oh, go bomojua oa. Oh, mo pa nu bien nu mami we ya bie bana vie makiji o go gbejua oa. Emi o gbe la gbijue. Abi sikewe. Iba bo lajwe gba bi ba bo fie kun lelue. Ani you. On assist on you. Even the Mugu gods when they saga me, you see me say answer. That's why they use that like more than 1 week, 2 weeks, I didn't even reply. That's why they write every day. Rita Kokobiri, where are you not seeing the post outside? Are you not a friend? Not be the same Nigeria you for the bad that they do live video so. You not see everything. When they do saga them, when they saga other people for live video, not be you can't comment there. Not be you be the person where can't do fake testimony for fake thing where they say. What is it that you don't know about the evil that has been going on? You useless daughter of a useless woman. What is it that you don't know? Now may God blind your belly. He cover and make you not feel born join picking again because you are evil. You will suffer for what you did. Your evil will collect your only child. Swear this way where you want swear. We not near you. I go come out public and lay curse on top of you and your only child for us. Try it and see what I will perform on top of your head. Ogun yak berak bijoué. Il va bolla with bagmon. What are you query? Mon assistant you.
arrest them or to harass them is very wrong.
He said they call her. They call her, tell her, send me the insult her. I was like, huh? My sister said, huh? Huh? What did this one they talk? Talk to who? Even the Mugu God, you never even reply. I was even thinking of how to reply. Say, make I reply this one. You know how many times they insult my children? Well, before I carry a picking picture, come out for life, they say, not be your children, be this. Who born picking, they swear for another person picking. But you have attacked my family, Grace. Have I attacked your own? You attacked my own parents for no reason. Oh, go back be jouer. You brought out a killer so go and sack my parents in Benin for no reason. Did that do anything to you? Even the Mugu got to answer her. I never even beat her the way they beat person before you go my parents' house. Una let me fight my fight. Did you allow me to deal with her? You jumped inside, you make it your personal fight. Oh, go back be jouer. Bit a rock boa.
Nobody should be doing that. Nobody should be doing that. Don't go to any presenter parents' house to harass them. Don't bring presenter mothers to your saga. It's not good. So read my lip. I'm not.
It's not good, but you did it to me. You did it for me for no reason. Even when I don't know you, I'm not your saga mate. I don't have any saga with you. People will get saga with you for live video, you know them. What has me got to do with you? You included me into your problem for no reason. You invited yourself into my life for no reason. And you also want to command me on how to act. Now, devil go bend your mouth, go outside the way Ben Felicia on. The way they bend that bad dead mouth, now you go take bend your own. You will come the door, you will be ashamed and disgrace in public. The way they remove your teeth where everything be like toilet. Now so you go take bend your mouth finish. Ah, cool. And they come here and leave you. You do well. Who want pay put? Who? Who can't go my parents' house? Not be you, they use back till they find and they go for Benin. Not be back you till they work out, they go for Benin. We near you. My uncles are asking too. Did their sister do anything to you? Before you carry people to her in Benin. Even me, when you say they follow you, did I even come close to you at all? I near you. Now you are the follow fight. Even the person where they follow me, if I never sit and answer them. Because I saw it enter fight will not be you. The person where carry belly where busy or bed the way they UK. He carry belly for front of the fight. And I run like they run for I say I don't want to answer you because you get belly. The whole word I Risha. I know they put my hand for this kind of thing. I never fight pregnant woman before. Leave me alone. More than 1 year, 9 use me to sing. I know answer them. Only one day where I come and tell us, I know they put my hand for wetty roti. I know they put my hand for fish where rat shop remain. Now I'm go take come and start to they fight me for no reason. If don't start to they fight me finish. Now reply when I reply, I say leave me alone, not concern me, concern you. Now you take a person go meet my parents for us. Did I come close to you? Or go they kill you?
Apologizing to you. You don't deserve my apology, but your mother did, and I have apologized to Mama, not you.
So why should I apologize to your husband? Why did you say I should come apologize to your husband? I'm asking you, who is your husband? Did I know him before? Because I insult her. You know how many people don't insult my mother because of you? Did you know how many people? You say that me insult your husband, so. Did you know how many people you recruit to be insulting my parents on a daily basis? Are you crazy? Oh, go back bijouer. Have you gone but you are? You dey mad. Your head not correct. You smoke it go before you come sit down for this video. Now come and come put down for your body. Go. That useless woman will not get sense. Fucky. Woman where they husband as where they fuck up and down. Hopeless she goes.
Didn't handle the issue well. You keep insulting me, insulting my husband. You are in your husband's house. Even as Mugu God push me rich to come and do something on your marriage, I still protect you.
I don't ask you for protection. Do one. Grace dog, do it. I didn't ask you. Why you protect me? After you have locked my old aged parents to attack on cyberspace, you say you are protecting me? What kind of protection is that? After you have seen that the whole world is against the evil you did? Because they don't bring money, you don't want to spend your money for case again? Because you see, I don't carry you go another level? What are you protecting? Are you God that have been protecting me? Do I know you? I'm going to my 25 years in Europe. Are you the one that have been protecting me? You know how many times I don't go to Nigeria, come back? Now your maths, they kill you. Who you they protect? Who send you message?
You never see anything I do as good thing. You keep insulting me. I do protect you. I'm not telling you lie. I can give you some evidence of proof of a case I have raised against.
You bring the evidence already through fake accounts. I also told you, say Grace, you are the one talking to me. I'm not a baby. I know what to do. Is that not what I told you on our chat? I said you are the one writing me. I know you are the one writing me. But you know what your problem is? You think I'm a baby that you can use to play this useless game that you are playing. That is what your problem is. You want to play game with me. You want to deal with me inside the house and pretend as if you're doing on cyberspace. Yes. You want to keep your pride and you want to rub my own on the mud. May woe betide you when I didn't do anything to you. No, my parents. May your mother be belittled in everything that she put her hand to do in this life. May your husband be belittled. May his pride never be high. May he never do anything that will satisfy the world. May his effort kill him and swallow him. You are a mad woman. For you to think you can override your family and come and ride another person's family too. You must be a very stupid and crazy woman. Your head not correct.
Day before, against any time you come to Nigeria. But when you come to Nigeria, you come for marriage. Nobody should go against marriage. That is going to be bad to that person.
Grace Dog, you for arrest me when I come to Nigeria. Until now they look say that arrest one arrest that they follow and go police station until say na so life for end. You for try and make you come meet me for marriage. If barrack no finish for your head, you for try and make you see what it go happen. If battle has no rule for your matter, you for try and. You for try and. You for try and carry boys or carry anybody come. I say you for try and. You for try and. You not run come up for your ass for worry. Why you run? You don't tell them for life if they want to say you run come up for us. Oh, your evil, they pursue you, they go, you go run, go Lagos, go stay 1 week for Lagos. Have you ever told them? Well, all of them, they get mad, they say, now sorry to carry mama and papa. Then they ask, then they wait for you, maybe you can't cook them chop. If you chop them finish, you bury your head. You bury your own head and you bury your daughter own. Are you crazy? Why you run come up for your ass for worry? Why you run, begin the shout, they go say people, they call you for phone, say that they track you, they trace you. Or whom they kill your life. People where you go near, they near you. I be you they mad.
Generation, I withdraw my arm. I cancel every case about you. If you love me and you respect woman. Sorry, guys.
Have you ever seen a place where my parents have been talked to one day and you call inside and say, stop this? It's not good. What have you done since you cause such a pain and humiliation on top of them? What do you don't do? Oh, good, they kill your family. You want to protect your family. You want to remove them from my mouth and you want to bring my parents outside. They and you who need protection pass as old as they are. Oh, good, they destroy your family. You decrease. You they mad. You know what you they talk. You and them who is weaker, who need more protection. When you brought them outside and you want to enter inside and you don't want your name to be mentioned on Saga or your husband, or good they keep master for your eye.
Network. I don't want this video to be too long. You understand? We should stop harassing people, parents, because of Saga. We should stop it. Everybody, stop it. If Nami fight you, fight me. If Nami fight you, fight me. But read my lip.
Did you know about that? Is that what you did? Why are you not preaching what you are doing? Why you not they preach what you they do? You they preach another thing.
Rita, I owed you no apology.
Did I ask for it?
But I have a very simple mind.
Did I ask for your apology? Then you want to come out on live video and fight me? After you have hurt my family bitterly? At a time I even choose to leave you and leave you for God. And you decide to come and inherit fight will not be your own for the second time. Oh, go back be you at grace. You they mad. You they mad?
If you call me your own today, Rita, I will call you my own.
I will never.
The other day I see you.
Never. in history to call a dead body like you my own. A useless woman who does not think my own. The person will call you in, what you do to her. Not be betrayer you give her. And they ask you, the person will call you in for 3 years, what you give her? Not be betrayer you hang on top of your head. You get any other thing where you give her? Do anything good come out from Egypt? I'm asking you a question. Why should I call you my own, you disgraceful element of a woman? You useless human being. You curses. Where curse they follow? You decrease. I'll call you my own, say now waiting they happen. Call you my own to what? For what? What and what is the reason? When you have brought my parents to cyberspace for bullying, and you want me to be calling you, are you mad? Are you stupid? Have you ever sit down and take a chance and think about what you have done to my family? You stupid and useless woman that have no senses of remorse. You disgraceful element of a human being. You dey mad. Look at how your disgrace is all over the place. Profess is over there, bulalaring you and beating you. Person they confess the other day, now one of una guy they confess for them. You useless element of a woman. Now sickness will buy you because you don't do evil. Facebook apology does not work. Keep it in your ass and shove it. Are you hearing me? Shove it in your ass. If people want to use you to fight me, come out boldly. Open up your hand. Let's know where you are, what you are standing and what your stand is for. Tell the whole world that I want to buy the fight that is not my own and fight it. I am ready to fight with Rita. Let me know what you are up to. And let me face you and eat you up. You decrease. Abi it is I know if you tell you for the second time. Oh, go back bitch where? Come back there, tell them, then they sleep, then they do another topic. May they carry you to do bulletproof. May all the ogun they enter your head every day. They pass your back, they come out. You they mad. Your head not correct.
Go to your pay show with what is this girl name? Esther.
Now that one fight, you want so fight now. Come fight. Come fight, they wait for you. So that all the causes when I go the rain, go they enter your head, woto. I don't ever fight your own. The fight when you get with Lovely, you see me for inside one day. Did you see me analyze you and Lovely matter one day? Won't be like bijouer. Abita ho webekun. Ou warrior, abitu warrior walk wele. If a bol laj wek bea. Abiba bol la da fon wek be lamon ou biek be ou hoa. I near you. Come carry out their fight, may you fight may break your head into 10,000. So that the woto go the entire skin they come out for your nyash. That your toto go the roti momo.
Apologize to my husband. Forget about me. I'm a disgrace already.
Yes.
I don't enter disgrace already.
Not be only you. Your husband is a disgrace and he's a stupid man. Na rat will marry you. Not marry husband. Na rat put you for us. Go tell her, say na rat. Tell her, say I say it's a stupid man of the highest order. To even engage himself with a useless woman like you, that makes him more 10 times stupid. Tell her, say na so Rita talk. Rita say 12 una the craze, una head not correct. The same way when they use whiskey. The world when they drink whiskey, they sleep. So when they drink whiskey, they sleep every night. So that when I wake up in the morning now, they colo, they run pray. Tell your husband that I said it's a disgrace to his family to even come close to a woman like you because he's a lazy man. Tell her, say, I say now go be tied the back and front. Go tell her. You useless prophetess of doom. You disgraceful element that have no self-worth and regard for your husband. You cannot even respect your husband. Look the way a Nigerian man for that matter. Not be even Kokobiri. The one where marry Kokobiri, now go they say Kokobiri. Now husband see the one and they rubbish all of them. No respect, no remorse, no regard for una husband. Now they drag una husband, they pass ground, they go. You disgraceful element of useless women. Who be your husband? Your husband don't bath. His senior mama be senior mama, you dey craze. Ogun berak bijwek be maswe you are. Wow, wabakmo. If a ball la maswek be. May I hear am for your mouth again? They can't curse your husband. Use 1 hour video, take curse it back and front.
Of Mugu goat. But my husband is innocent. And I have never insulted your husband.
I don't care if you insult him. And as a matter of fact, my husband is forget if you insult my husband when you have insulted my parents and my father and my mother. When you have brought them outside for insult. What is your mouth? You did the job already. Other people are doing the job for you. So, if you do it, what is bad? You think I care whether you do it or you don't do it? You decrease. I be your head not correct. You drink whiskey. You do whiskey. Do evening food where you consider they do this year video.
You went as far as carrying my husband picture and be using on your YouTube and the rest is
Who
not.
is your useless husband? Who is your useless husband that have no self-worth? Your useless husband that is banned from his family already. Man, where family don't reject for Toto Roti. You decrease. Tell and say, I say, may what betide the entire family of Ojefo from the beginning to the ending. All their family, from the beginning to the end, they are saying and crazy, they did their head. They know way.
It's okay. It's okay. They carry fake Toto come outside. Say na my Toto, you carry go there.
I never even start. As long as other people they use my mothers and my fathers where you go bring come out for I say they make you they go. How they use you till they make you they go. Now so it be. And the other 5 children are coming. That is one thing you have to put behind you. You cause a generational fight that will not finish. If you even touch your picking for road. Because the sins of the mothers, you leave it for your child. We didn't near you in our family. Be ready for it. Are you hearing me? We not near you. And we not near any of you now. Mugu go to a they may carry body may go Nigeria. Not be only you they wait for Nigeria. That one where you they get mad to the same so you they wait. Not be only you. People many. They never even start today. All your children don't use you make view. Not be then you take the make view where they say Rita mama where people they watch you so. My brothers they don't write a disgrace death element, erotic because you don't see on top of their Facebook. If they open Facebook, how you want me to monetize? And do your own, monetize your own and write down and wait for them. You decrease. I be you say my sister not go open Facebook tomorrow for waiting now. This is social media. Now your mama you take monetize. Now your mama you take grow your page. It go use you grow too. Wait you say it be. How many of you the guy that they do? Now it's okay. Ogun okberak biju eba bola we gbebak mon. Ah oh ebekun.
Would you be woman like me?
I not be woman like you.
I not go apologize to you.
I am not a woman like you. I am different. Never. Since when they don't fight me rich for this live video, I never go carry juju for any of them. 5 of them don't carry juju come for me. We are sit down so that's why I did. I know they shake. I never go carry. This same family matter. Where you take time my body so say I define mama fine papa. Now so the other guy do one. Where I still go use undertaking take close in hand. What did they worry una? When are they use trouble find no rich way una dey? Who is a woman
And those
like
people
you?
that is right.
Who is a woman like you use stupid, disgraceful elements to the entire generation of your husband family? Now they marry you have been and you married them. After you have done series of victimizing people, you go use money, marry boy, we not get sense for it. Person we not sabi wash your pants where you go carry for a mama village, you decrease.
Me that I should go and apologize to Rita. I will not apologize to Rita.
I didn't ask for it. Alright? Because if you apologize to Rita, you go use a tape cover my mouth. It will also not go down well with me. Not be apology, you give person where they carry con you stand to stone your head today. Where you say no because you know the value of a father. No, because what you do, it has nothing to do with live video saga. It's different. Live video saga, if they see apologize, you don't see the work, not to talk of the one way you do. Did you know what you did? Live video tell me, I tell you. If they apologize, sometimes it's also not genuine. It will cause problem again. I see like be pants. Not to talk of the one where you go use your leg. You did it in Nishan, you did it in Benin. You use your leg waka and tap people compound for no reason. In my case, it's absolutely for no reason. You say I be woman like you, go here boy. If I ball lawe, be what teach you, I will be key. What are your hurry? What are your hurry? What have my son no be no matter?
I have apologized to our parents. I'm not lying.
But you say you lied that you said I lied that time. Is that not what you said? Didn't you say I lied when I said it on live video? Say, Grace, you were the girl mad, so not be so you be for police station. You say I dey lie. You say I lie, I dey lie. You was busy using underground to recruit force so you want to face your friend. After you don't recruit your force finish, the force don't stand, you don't sell and they don't buy finish. They don't pay you money put for hand. You want to use me to do cover up. Ah, berak bijou.
I hope Rita no apology because she insulted hell out of me and my husband.
I've not even started. This is just the beginning. You don't owe me. Yes, you don't owe me any apology. Because if you give me apology, I will wrap it and I will shove it in your asshole. Now your nyash I go shook and put. Just like the way when they carry cutlass stay shook for your nyash this afternoon where I see for road. You disgraceful element. After you don't cause people parents, you don't carry them come live video. Come put them for live video. Old people may bully, they bully for life. You want settlement, me you enter house, me you get peace. Now peace go kill your head.
Don't take it too hard. Don't be angry.
No, I'm not angry. I'm very happy.
Don't be angry.
No.
The truth need to be told.
I know. I'm very happy. That's why I'm happy with you. So, oh yeah, go bring Jangolova, come make me and you take dance. Go back Jangolova, come make me and you come take dance. Me we take celebrate. Eh? Go buy Ludoge, come make me and you come play. You decrease.
3 things we must take out of Facebook is this: bullying children, fighting parents at home,
Mona si mata.
and husbands. Our husband.
Mona si mata. Hey. Hey, whoa, Baba. Now, so this life, be people where they touch people, they know they want me to touch them. Mona si talk, oh. He? No wonder that lady for Spain say, Mama Rita, beg, just cover your eye, may you can't listen to this, you. Because you go laugh peace for body, oh. Mona can't see, oh. Hey. You know one live video public again, you know something, don't enter your ass. You know enter your ass. Fight will not be your own for the second time. You don't inherit and they fight me again. You don't inherit and they fight me again, Grace Doggo.
Send us to go do Saga. No, your husband, I tell Canada, they say your husband not send you. When till they do so?
He sent me. That is the difference between me and you. My husband sent me where. You know, they live video way person they ask on the other day say, how do you feel when Rita is doing Saga? You know what he asked you? Say, I know my wife, she don't look for trouble. She fight for her right. And when she's fighting, she know what she's fighting for. If you talk for this video now, he go tell you, say, no, Grace, I want my wife to beat you for eternity. I be you 1 year. Not to say, no send me. I don't be like una way they do it anything una like without the permission of una husband. Before I go Nigeria, go do marriage. Now my husband tell me say I should close my mouth. When I come back from my marriage, then I start firing you people. Now so he really beat it today. Yes. He say if I come back from Nigeria, he go give me 3,000 permission to do it. Because I have every right to do it. Every right now I get. If your husband is shame for you, my own is very proud of me. I have a big difference with you. My own and you not be the same thing. You hear me? So where you think say my confidence where I take they handle 3,000 people at a time come from? Even not pay money do what oje.
Now me and you get cost me. Now me and you get now, you cost me now. Maybe I know for every reason waiting you cost me. I forgot apologize to you. But you insulted my husband. And
Grace Dog, I don't need your apology. What you did is unforgivable. That is one thing you need to know. Accept reality. Reality is you have trespassed so much into people's life. You have brought them out on live video for people to be fighting on a daily basis. So your apology is definitely going to be useless. It's not needed. It's going to be very useless. The one where you give today, what you do, you have to wrap and back Chauvin. Because you go look at Papa. Fake account they carry Papa, they go up and down. I saw it about 2 days ago. Where Papa stand for live video, they beg. Are you not the person that did all those things? I'm asking you a question. Not be you doing. You think that kind of picking go see that kind of thing go like you? He go even want to see you for a year? I be want shook ne for your eye, may go come out for your back. You they mad. The reason the things where you they talk. So if then they cost your family, they pay you. And you brought other people's family for everlasting insult. And you want to enter house and you want settlement. I don't apologize to your mama. You decrease. Agbo monjou awa. Abit akberak bijoué you awo.
What I talk yesterday? Love you too. What I talk yesterday? Now the honest truth. Now talk yesterday of waiting happen for your papa arrest. Either you believe me or not. Now the honest truth. There are more things that you don't even know yet.
There are more things I don't even know, and you said you are confessing. The time I came out yesterday, didn't I tell you that the confession you do is half? Are you the person that told me that it's half? I knew that there are more things I don't know. Keep it. The day you have to come and say it, you will say it here. You want to wait me all of an affair finish before you consider the talk. Say, hey, because I didn't want to say it. Because this one was like this. You are very crazy. How many of you they do 10? And they ask you, Grace, though, who did they carry they do 10? So your man just say you say because you get money, now some money rich. But you know, say not be money be everything for Nigeria, sir. I hope you know Nigeria. You know, say person where you get money, they rag, say now so you get money. Another person where money no they and get with it, they also they brag too. You they mad. You they crazy. More than when you go attack for us now, 3 boys they been where they gnash their teeth for what you do their mama. Are you crazy?
What things that Mugu God did that you don't know? Is it on your marriage? Is it about your husband? Is it about your first daughter? But you reacted over quick.
So why should I have reacted? I should have waited for you to come and tell me. Anything we want to do about my husband, my husband does not live in Spain with her. As a matter of fact, if my husband say now only one punch she go give, I go divide that into 3. Only one slap, now I go put for year. Mugu God go divide into 3. So I don't even want to hear it. It's none of our business. We get who they fight for us. Now you they protect me all this way. Not get what you want to do my pikin. My pikin never fall sick for this as one day. But now her own, I can they sick according to you. Say the person something come out for news. Now you the sick where the person something come out for news. So what are you talking about? So I should come and be mumu for you. Because I define confession. Now me ask you, I do mumu follow you before you begin to talk what you see. This video where you come and come do yesterday is provoking. For you to come and come to say, now you supposed to go apologize to my husband. Grace, you decrease. Who is your husband? You they mad? What you they talk with the reason now? I be you shop fly asleep yesterday. Who talked to you for phone yesterday when you run account they do this nonsense? To carry more insult on top of your husband and family. Are you crazy? The saga where you get for granted, you don't do and finish.
By insulting me, insult my husband. I'm also a human being, minus prophetess. I'm also a human being like you people. Yes. I asked you very well in the station that day. You said the police people should ask me if you have ever talked to me. That would touch me.
You know the truth. And only the truth will set you free. Only the truth now go set you free for this matter. Nothing but the truth. You will never go free from the circle of this mess that you have put yourself. Except the day you genuinely decide to tell yourself the truth. Your peace will be restored to you. If not, heaven and earth will withdraw peace from you. Grave will collect your peace and hold it in waiting for you. You not go like get her. No human being go use you fight their fight may you get peace. Never. They will add more trouble and pains to your life. The only thing that will give you peace is a genuine truth. The way it is. Nothing else. That's what I asked the police. You was at the police station when I asked them to say, tell her to tender the evidence when I talk to her. If I ever have anything to do with this woman, I swore right in your presence in the police station. I said, tender your evidence before you go home. Because if you leave the police station and you don't put down your evidence, I will not leave you for life. Is that not what I told you in the police station? I said, if you leave that police station without putting your evidence down, let my lawyer have your evidence because you are there with my lawyer. You saw my lawyer in the police station. I said, give your evidence to my lawyer because me, I want to see it. If you don't give it to him, you're going to cause an everlasting fight that will not finish. Is that not what I promise you?
Begin to feel immediately that Mugu God has deceived me to make another mistake again. I did apologize to your mother. If you don't know, ask your mother. Okay? I apologize to your mother. I hold you no apology because you insulted my husband. First, when I did not insult your husband.
I'm about to ask you a question, Grace Dog. Do you know how many children my mother have? She has 6 grown-up children. 6 grown-up children. Did you know what you have put my mother through on cyberspace? For no reason at all. If there is reason, I will not be talking to you. For no reason. You carry your leg from worry. You go meet my defenseless old parents at home because you met them with nobody, they were alone, and you went them to drag them to bully on cyberspace for no reason. No reason. No reason at all. And you want to also position me how I talk to you and who I talk to, who I touch in your family. When you went to touch the Iroko of my family and you are telling me who to touch in your own family, may destruction be on top of your life. May death catch up with the only daughter you have in life. To come and touch the Iroko of my entire family. And you are telling me who to touch in your own. You are crazy. May woe betide you. Now this video go pie your head. A live video aguji. You cross boundary, you went into my parents' house and you want to tell me who to touch in your family? Did you know who my mother is? You touched the Iroko of a complete generation. And you are telling me who to touch in your own family. Who out dare you? Who gave you that right? Did I walk into your house? But you walk into my father's compound uninvited.
It's not good, my dear. No, it's not good.
What is not good?
We need to be focused in so many things.
What is not good and what do you need to be focused about? What do you need to be focused about? You useless woman born by a useless woman. What do you need to be focused about? I'm asking you a question. Who do you want to be focused and what do you need to be focused about? Who want to dialogue with you? Do you think I have time for nonsense people like you? You want to be giving me useless credibility in your video so that I'll become your friend. You look me like a person that they use one hand and they push like that. Or would they kill you? Can you imagine? For no reason. Somebody, you say person deceive you, you don't ask question. Hija. You not go talk say you don't know me for this cyberspace. The kind presenter where I be say they do my own, they go. You not go talk and say you don't know. Even if I have problem with other people, this is how their problem also started. Just the same way your own started. Same way. Now so your own taste, now so their own starts too. They want to be relevant, they can't hit their head for my chest for where I sit down put. So if I can't talk, you can't tell me say, the extra way you mention your name, you know how many, it dragged my mother for a whole month. The whole world saw it and they were aware of it before I replied. Are you crazy? To come out to say you want to stand in the middle of what you don't know. Even no matter your useless offend a rat husband. When you put for us, you can't tell me I want to touch her. When you go touch my mother, who is your husband? Do you value your husband? Do you know that my mother is a mother to people's husband? Now, 2 of his sons don't marry, they get wife and children for house. You went to touch their grandmother for no reason. Did you think about it? You useless woman bomber is useless Toto. You decrease. Lovely, I remember people. I will join you guys again soon.